Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to talk about Amazon Associates and how you need to make sure that you register all of your websites, your social media, or anywhere that you're going to be sharing any of your Amazon affiliate links. This is really important. You don't want to get your account banned for any reason. And so this is just something that some people don't really realize that you need to do. So this is going to be a real quick video. I'm just going to show you how to do it. And let's get started. Okay, so plain and simply, you just need to go to your account settings, and here you're going to look for Edit Your Website Mobile App and Alexa Skill List. And here you're going to have where you can enter your websites, and this is where you're going to want to put any of your websites that you have. So, for instance, this is my affiliate website that I have. So here's my Instagram, I have YouTube, and I have Pinterest. These are my socials. So first of all, we're going to grab the website. Okay, so we're going to add it. And I have some of my other websites here, but I have not added this one yet. So we're going to add that one. We're also going to add the links for the socials. So we're going to add that one. We'll grab the others. Okay. And then also, this is another one that I need to add is my camping website. And we're going to add that there. So, and I, of course, would do the same thing for my YouTube channel for that, as well as my Instagram and Pinterest for that. So just all you want to do is just add all the websites or any place, maybe you're on Medium or Reddit, where you might be sharing these Amazon affiliate links. And you're going to want to add them here, and you'll just click next. And you'll also want to check this. It says, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? And then we're going to say no, and then confirm. Okay, and that's all you have to do. And just make sure you put all of them in here so that way you don't get in trouble down the line. To be honest with you, some people can go forever without ever getting caught, but you want to do what's best and make sure that you don't get your account shut down when it's such an easy fix you can do really quickly. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Short and sweet, very simple. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when I come out with videos just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.